Hope you had a happy holiday. I just showed you the preview of the unboxing of some of the beauty products that I ordered from Chanel and Dior. Yes, I sent myself a note. This is what it said. Oh, thank you so much, me. Thank you, me. I'm so sweet. So I ordered the lipstick and I ordered a mirror that came with the blotting papers. I was gonna get just the mirror that everybody else has, but I wanted the blotting paper one because I felt like that would be more useful. So here's the mirror. And the case is like a, you know, I think that other case is a hard case. So I probably would have liked the other case better because it is hard. And pretty sturdy. So this is soft, like with the plastic outside. And then there's a slot right here for the blotting tissues to go inside. It's cute. Oh, and it has little Chanel emblems on the tissue. Let's see. You can see that? Probably over 100 sheets. I didn't even look to see how many, but it's a nice little stack of sheets in here. And then it just slips right inside this little slot. Oh, perfect. Okay. So yeah, so then you just open. It has a mirror and then it has your little blotting sheets. So this is perfect, and it's not too thick either. It'll go great into like a little evening bag. It's not going to be too bulky. And then I just got this lipstick. I wanted like a darker red. I didn't want like a red, so this is the color that I got, which is Ever Red number 49. I honestly just ordered this stuff because I wanted to see what they were gonna do for Christmas. Here's a little gold ribbon that came around the box. Just a little ribbon. Like, I just feel like they could have did a little more than just this. I mean, when I compared this and this little basic box, basic black and white box with a lid, it does say Chanel. It says Chanel on the outside. And then they put the gold ribbon. Like, that's really basic. When I compare it to this gold applique, like, now like I said, I spent about $90 on the Chanel order, and then this was $175. After the taxes and everything, it was like 200 bucks. And look at this box. Has this little pillow in here for the products to rest on while they're being shipped. Like, they really thought of the details. This box is so pretty. You could easily use this as decoration. Like, because of the amount of money I spent, they gave me 2 free gifts plus samples. So before I open the actual item that I ordered, let's do, I just want to see a little sample. This duster bag is even nice. Like, it's so sturdy. Like, I could use this, like, sometimes when I go out, I like to bring like some little flat ballet slippers or something, like little flip-flops or whatever, just if I want to switch out of heels. So this is going to be perfect to put some little flats in from out. It's very sturdy. It's not like thin and flimsy, and it has the gold applique. I think these are the samples. So they gave me the Miss Dior perfume. I think I've smelled this before. I think I like it. Just like a little sampler. So they gave me another perfume, the new look, another perfume. Oh, yeah, they gave me 3. I think I was only supposed to get 2, but whatever. Thank you. Thank you, Dior. Dior is just like, yes, doing it. So this is Eden Rock. I've never smelled this one before, so I'm not sure. I like clean colors, smells, so I usually pick the lighter colors. Look at this. Like, this is for a package for a little free gift. How cute is this? Like a little origami, almost like a drawstring bag, but it's paper. And then you just pull. Oh, it's lipstick. Oh my goodness. This was well worth the money. This is not small. Like, this is almost like the full size. Ooh, oh, this color is so pretty. This is really pretty. And see, I like the smaller ones because they fit so easy in your purse. So that was free. I didn't pay for this. Like, this came with the one item that I ordered. All of this came with the one thing that I ordered from Dior. Dior really outdid themselves. Chanel, gotta step your game up. Another beautiful packaging. Look at this. It's so pretty. It's like more gold applique, and to me it's like they just really thought of, I feel like, you know, Chanel did their thing with the gold ribbon applique, but that's just like not enough. Not when Dior is doing stuff like this. Like, come on. I don't know what this is. Oh, the perfume. Savage. Is it called Savage or Savage? I don't know, but ooh, and this is a nice size. Like, this one I like. I've smelled this one before. I actually was gonna order the actual full bottle, but I was like, oh, you're gonna give me a free one anyway. I might as well just order this. Okay, so now let's open this. This is something that I actually love, and I actually want to start making my own. I love. Let's just open it first and then I'll tell you. More beautiful packaging. Ooh, Christian Dior. Oh my God, I can smell it already. It smells so good. I got the candle set, guys. I love candles. I burn candles all the time. Candles and incense and diffusers. This is so pretty. I can smell them already, and they already smell so good. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the words. I do study French, so this is Te Osmanthus. Te, like tea in English, T-E-A in English, but Te. Am I saying that right? I've gotta get back on my French. Ambre Nuit. This one smells very good. Oh, that kind of smells like baby powder too. They all have very light, fresh scents. Eden Rock. Okay, this is the perfume that they gave me. This one smells a little like ocean, and it's even got an ocean color. Eden Rock. Yeah, this one's very oceany, and this one's more like a light baby powder musk type of scent. So these two are my favorites. This one, and then I would say this one second. But that's not bad. Considering all of the gifts that they gave me along with this, I'm happy. The Chanel, I feel like they could have did better with the gift wrapping. Like, I think it was so basic. Like, compared to this, like, there really is no comparison. Like, this box was inside that box, and then these bags, and I mean, it was just a a gift inside of a gift inside of a gift inside of a gift. So I don't mind. I feel like, you know, for that price, for luxury, that's not bad. Especially for the holidays. Like, I feel like they did such a good job with the packaging that like, and the free gifts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold up. 4, okay. This was worth the money. I got 4 perfumes. One was kind of a sample size. These other ones are pretty decent size. These are gonna last me a while. So I got all of this, plus the 3 candles for $200. I feel like that was pretty good. And it was, you know, if I was sending this to someone as a gift, I feel like they did such a beautiful job with the packaging. Like, to me, I think it was well worth the money. These 2 gifts, the ones in the drawstring bag, you had to spend, I think, over $100 to get these 2 extra ones. But it's like, even if you just got these little samples, like, my goodness, that I feel like that's a lot. For if you spent less than $100 and you still got these and not these 2, like, that's pretty good. So, conclusion, Dior wins for Christmas packaging, gift packaging, hands down. Period. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below which gift set did you like better, Chanel or Dior. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye, guys.